guys, it's Kira from Plaid, and part of our FolkArt sign shop is the amazing acrylic stencil paste, and it comes in such a beautiful variety of colors. I want to show you how we can use all those colors and incorporate them into one really fun and inspirational project. So you can see here we have this Inspire, Dream, Be Yourself, Create and Imagine, and I'm going to show you how you can do different colors using just one reusable mesh stencil screen and how you can create a beautiful ombre effect. So I am just going to be using a piece of foam core, and then we went ahead and framed it, you can see in our finished project, and then we actually used the acrylic stencil paste also just to add a little bit more fun design and a pop of color on the frame here. So again, remember that these reusable mesh stencil screens are adhesive, so they've got a low tack adhesion on them, so you can peel them off, stick them right down onto your surface. Because they are a low tack adhesive, you can reposition them to exactly where you want to place them. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this down right onto my foam core. Again, this is great. You can use it on canvas, on wood, on fabric. So I wanna press that down. And then I'm going to be using our squeegees. So these come in a pack of 4. They're great. They're very flexible. There's a great variety of sizes. So we have everything from small to the largest size. And it's great because it gives you a variety and a lot of freedom and control when you're applying your paint. So I'm going to show you how those work. And they also have straight edges and angles, which make it really easy for large spaces. And these little angles make it easy to get into tight spots. So we have those. And then again, I have our acrylic stencil paste. So again, a beautiful variety of colors. And I'm just going to be doing a really fun rainbow palette for this project. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the bright green. And I'm just using some palette paper here. And I'm going to go ahead and get all my paints out. And then we have purple, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the order that I'm going to stencil onto this foam core. We've got our bright blue. Okay, and then we have tangerine. So it's this really fun bright orange color. Okay, so once I have my acrylic stencil paste out, and remember this is really thick and creamy, you can see how thick this is when it comes out of the tube. It's really smooth, it's highly pigmented, and you're also going to get really great opaque coverage, which is really amazing, and it's been formulated to work so well with these reusable mesh stencil screens. And I'm actually just going to go ahead and use the small. And this paint washes really easily with soap and water, but I'm going to actually just use a paper towel to wipe off in between my stenciling. Okay, so I'm going to use the flat side, and I'm just going to load my squeegee. You can see I have a good amount of paint on there. And then again, you can go up and down or side to side. I'm going to go side to side since I'm going to be using multiple colors and I don't want it to run into the word dream. And you know, if you are nervous about your paste, if you just don't have a steady hand, you can also use a piece of stencil tape and tape off the word or the design that you don't want to get the acrylic stencil paste onto. But this acrylic stencil paste is so thick and creamy, you really do get a lot of control with it, and these squeegees make it really easy to move around and control exactly where it's going. So then you just want to wipe off any excess. And then again, you can just wipe this off with a paper towel. Just make sure you get all your green off. You could even use baby wipes. Those are great to have on hand when you are stenciling. And then I'm going to go into the purple. So again, just load your squeegee. And you can use the paste brush or the silicone squeegee also for these projects. Any of the tools would work great with FolkArt Sign Shop. And I'm just going to cover my word dream with the purple, and you just want to evenly spread that and make sure you're getting it in all the mesh screen. And if you run out of paint, don't worry, you can just go back in and reload. You're not going to get lines or streaks. You just want to get full even coverage. And I'm going to wipe off the excess. And again, you can see how thick it is, so you're not going to get bleeding, so you don't need to worry about this purple bleeding into the Be Yourself. So again, wipe off your excess, and then again, just a dry paper towel works great to wipe this off. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the blue and do Be Yourself. And again, the same motion, you just want to swipe across. Okay, orange for create. There's so many beautiful colors in this acrylic stencil paste that you can create beautiful one-of-a-kind color palettes on all your projects. You know, if you just really like that minimalistic black and white farmhouse decor, or you can do these really great fun, beautiful rainbow palettes. There's something for everybody's decor, and you can really personalize it to match. So the last part is I'm going to show you how to create this ombre. We're going to actually use the acrylic stencil paste right out of the tube. So we're going to start with the orange, and we're going to put a tiny drop right on top of the letters. So I'm going to pull down, and I am going to have my squeegee touch the orange and the yellow at the same time. I'm going to pull straight down. Then you're going to wipe your squeegee, and I'm going to pull down the yellow and the green. And I'm just going to basically just let it keep overlapping as I go color to color. And you want to just make sure, it's really important to wipe your squeegee off in between. And the great thing about this squeegee is you can see the colors stay separated, so when you're pulling it down, they're not going to mix. Then all you need to do is reveal your design. And then remember that your reusable mesh stencil screens can be washed with warm soapy water, and you can use them again on your projects. So again, all you need to do to get this really fun design on the bottom is use some stencil tape and the acrylic stencil paste, and you can create this beautiful rainbow pattern. So super fun, easy, beautiful colors with our acrylic stencil paste and using our reusable mesh stencil screen and our squeegees. For more product information and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com/signshop.